Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to RPM Detailing, and in today's video guys I'll be doing a quick review on Madcow Detailing Products. So I'll be going over all of the stuff that I have, um, and this is the wheel cleaner from them. I got the 5 liter tub. I just didn't have a bottle with their sticker on it, so it's in this bottle, but it's from Madcow Detailing. It's their non-acid wheel cleaner. So as always with every detail, we are going to start off with the wheels. Uh, Actually, the wheels are not bad on this car, as I detail this car at least once a month. I do a maintenance detail on it, so the car is kept in good, clean condition. But we're going to start with the wheels. As you can see, they are not that bad, but I'm going to spray on the other wheel uh, while I am waiting for the product to start working on the first one, and just giving you guys a quick view of how the wheels look. Like I said, it's not in bad of a condition, so but obviously still some brake dust on those wheels, so we're going to just clean them up and see how good this product works. Okay, so after going on with the detail brush and a wheelbarrow brush to get in behind this box, I would give a solid 9 out of 10. Now we're going over to the TFR. As you guys can see, the lower portion of the bodywork obviously is the one that's nearest to the road, so a lot of the dirt splashes onto it. I know the plastics are faded, but I was not touching up the plastics trim and on this detail, so no comments about, oh, you never did the plastic trim. Okay, so after spraying the TFR and rinsing the car off, honestly, good stuff. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It works really well, but let's go over to the all-purpose cleaner from Madcow Detailing. No, this is the one that I love the most. I am doing a voiceover this video as I couldn't really film and talk at the same time. I was using one hand to film and the other hand to showcase the product, or to do the job, I should say. So I only had one hand, and it was a little bit tough, as you can see by the state of the horrible filming. But I'm just using the all-purpose cleaner and a detail brush to go around the badges. But also I will show you guys the all-purpose cleaner and the action on the interior, especially the clutch brake and the throttle pedals. They were in, I wouldn't say a bad state, but they weren't the best. But if you ask me, I think it came out pretty good. So the all-purpose cleaner from Madcow Detailing, honestly, um, I think I think it's one of the best I had used. I had used the all-purpose cleaner from Out of Finesse, and honestly, it's twice the price. And I would say that the one from Madcow Detailing works a lot better, guys. But obviously, this is just my own opinion. But this was literally just spraying it down and giving it a quick wipe, and look at the difference. Obviously, I will work on that more, or I should say I did work on that more. I used a detail brush just to get in all of the grooves, and I wiped it down more, and obviously I cleaned the whole interior. Okay guys, so now we're on to my favorite, which is the quick detailer from Madcow Detailing, and this is honestly one of my favorites. So once the car has been washed and rinsed and dried, I will apply it onto the bodywork and a few sprays onto the cloth. This works really well. I had a few issues with it that I didn't like. It's a little bit of a pain to wipe off, but what I started doing is using it a little bit less and applying as needed. But look at that shine, guys. The car is waxed. The car was waxed around 6 months ago, but this is great to use as a top coat, just to enhance the protection and gloss. Alright guys, so here I am onto the final product, which is fabric cleaner, aka interior cleaner from Madcow Detailing Products. So there's a few took a video of before and took some after, of course. Well, as you guys can see, it is a little bit dusty on the interior. Well, we're just going to spray this down, give a wipe, use some detailing brushes in the crevices, and see how this performs. Obviously I am doing a voiceover this video, so I know how it performed, and you probably guys noticed the dirty carpet on the passenger side. That's because the vehicle got hoovered after I finished cleaning the dashboard and the central console, but just giving a few sprays on the dash, giving it a wipe. So as you can see, the dashboard came out well. I did have to wipe it once more just to get the rest of the residue off. It does leave a little bit of a residue that I need to just wipe off a couple times to go off, but other than that, works perfectly fine. Now I'm just going to do the steering wheel and show you guys how it comes up. And then I did use an interior detailer after, but it was from a different brand, so obviously I'm not going to show that. But yeah, overall on Madcow Detailing, I will give them a 9 out of 10. Their products are great, the shipping time is good, and I mean the quality that you get for the price, and if you use them properly, you can do a professional detail without any issues, as you guys just seen me do. So yeah guys, I know this video has been a little bit all over the place, but it is only my second video going up and my first ever review video, so please bear with me. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Check out the link in the description below. Leave a like, subscribe, comment. Thank you all for watching. Bye.